career, the most important aspect of anyone's life. Rather, we invest our life in building or making this career good and great. But do we really know how to choose a career? Do we have any idea about if the choice goes wrong, what will be the consequences? Let us discuss today in this video how to choose a career. First, why we are very focused about our career? Three simple things: to get a good job and handsome salary, to gain reputation in social life, to achieve success in our personal life. Good job and handsome salary, or a good amount of money to survive in the life, or to satisfy our primary needs. We need money, obviously. Then the second point, it's not about only money but gaining reputation in our social life. Considering the digital revolution, social life has become so virtual that everyone wants to maintain the image of their social life, and they do everything to keep it in a flow. So, gaining reputation is another aspect of why we have to choose a good career. And the last thing, which basically the very important aspect of why we have to be focused about our career, that is to achieve success in our personal life. We have our own plans, we have our own desires, we have our own uh, dreams that we want to achieve, and for that we are very much focused about this career. Say some 20 or 15, 20 years ago, there were very few options or few uh, guides available to discuss about what career path one must choose. But today we have n number of internet sites, we have n number of courses, we have n number of job opportunities. Just we have to focus what we want to pursue. So if we are focused, then why we are confused? Yes, this confusion is in everyone's mind, that whether I should go for this or that, whether to go for engineering, for doctorate, for uh, media, for marketing, for management, CA, CAs, MBA, where I should try my hand. So is it that we have lot of career options available? Certainly not. So is it because there are many courses available which provide you good job, or which may prepare you to handle a business or to be entrepreneur? No. Then is it because the opportunities are more and what to choose is a problem? Certainly not. The answer is we are not focused about which skill we shall use to build our own career. Yes, let us check that how we decide or how we uh, develop our career options. What are the uh, points, okay, or what are the levels that we come uh, uh, through when we decide or we try to develop our career path? See, the major thing where it starts, dreaming, but many a times it becomes daydreaming. We just saw a guy or a girl or a successful man or a woman. Okay. uh, and our definitions of success is also different. Okay. They are more physiological. That is a car and a lavish or luxurious life, branded shoes, branded clothes, okay, branded perfume, Rolex watch, BMW, Lamborghini. That is what we dream, and then in that dream we then try to fit ourselves. Then which career is suitable to get all this? Okay. uh, there are parents expectations. Three Idiots, everyone have watched. तू इंजीनियर बनेगा, तू डॉक्टर बनेगा, तू यही करेगा, तू वही करेगा. That's all things, that pressure we have. Then peer pressure. वो तुम्हारे मामा जी का लड़का देखो, वो शर्मा जी का लड़का देखो, वो इसका लड़का देखो, वो उसकी लड़की देखो. Peer pressure. Then there are certain trends according to time. So we sometimes uh, you know go with the flow, and we choose our career. Yes, we look for high gains in a very shorter period of time. Then we look a job, okay, where we can have all the things at one place. So it is nearby to my home. Okay. Then a good position, good salary. Then whatever I wanted to do. Okay. uh, that all aspects or prospects are available. Hmm? Influence of someone, as I told earlier, that a successful man or a woman, n number of facts, and then somewhere down the line comes the passion. When you want to develop your career in a really good manner, passion has to come first. And your generation has that opportunity to choose your career according to your passion. Okay, so passion is the first priority, or the first step that we actually have to take while deciding our career options. But that comes very late. But now situation is different. So career is not getting a good job or a good salary, or to be uh, uh, physiologically become rich. S- but it is a choice of a human beings through which they contribute in development of society, as well as get mental satisfaction of whatever job they are doing. If you are a traveler, do that passionately. If you are a photographer, do that passionately and convert that in your career option. Convert your Basically, converting your passion into career option is the greatest thing that you can do. But many a times, many of these students, they face this problem that no, I can't do that. So how you will do that? Let us look at smart way to choose your career. This is the 3D model developed by me, which will help you to convert your passion into career. So, what are these 3D? Define, decide, deliver. Define your skills and finalize the skill set which you want to utilize for developing your career. Decide, you have to decide, you have to keep smart goals. You have to plan strategies to achieve those goals. and deliver. Execute the strategy. Be consistent. Be dedicated to what you are doing and always evaluate. Evaluation is very important. So define, decide, and deliver. Define your skills, set your goals, execute the strategy, and evaluate. Every time, evaluation is the important thing. And then the sky is the limit. Every one of you must follow this 3D model while choosing your career. This will definitely help you to convert your passion into your career. I hope you have understood where you lack and how you have to overcome to your thinking process to that a typical traditional process of choosing your career and apply this ready model. You will be able to find out where you are going to pursue your career. Okay, if you have any questions you can type it in the comment box of this particular video. Thank you very much. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn as Ameyabal, and follow my YouTube channel Sarth. Thank you. Thank you very much.